And good morning. I am back with a AliExpress haul, and I've got lots of goodies in here from AliExpress. There's a couple of things I haven't got the prices on, can't remember how much they were, but most of them I do have the prices. Wanted to show you some of the really cool things that I have bought from AliExpress and how you can save yourself money on craft items. So let's get tucked into this goodie bag. Right, okay, so first off we have this lovely rabbit stamp. So cute. I have actually used it and it looks gorgeous. Look, I used it on an altered on an index card iCAD. I'm going to start a new series, an iCAD a day. So that's index card a day, and it's where you just alter index cards. And so look, I used the rabbit on there. It looks so cute. And this was 90p, this stamp, and that is with postage as well. What I will do is put a link to all of the products in the description if you want to go and buy them. But it's quite cute. It's about I would say 1.5 by 1.5. He's just adorable, and I have used him. He's lovely. Right, so we have that. I'll put that in there. I have these gorgeous napkins. Now, I can't find them on my thing how much they were, but you get 20 in a pack. Just very pretty. But look at them. Look how many flowers are on that one napkin. Just gorgeous. Really beautiful. Can't wait to use these. I will have more projects with napkins in, but look how beautiful those napkins are. Just gorgeous. But like I said, I can't find how much these were, so I don't even want to guess, but they're inexpensive compared to some of the shops here. Now I've got this other this die set. I haven't actually cut anything out with them yet. I didn't have time, but I have seen some projects with these on, and these are beautiful. And these were £2.51, and you get a very large, oops, let me just do that. You get a very large heart. You get a heart that's obviously fits in the middle bit, and then oops, we have like this corner, almost like a corner piece. It's gorgeous. A key, and then you've got the more lattice sort of style heart, so you could have it that way and blank in the middle, or you could have the pattern. So lots of yummy. I haven't used them yet, so when I do use them in a project I will show you, but they were £2.51, and you do get quite a lot of dies in there. So let's put those away. Oh, and then I have some more stamps, which I have opened these. And there's this one, which says a special gift for you. And how much was that one? That was £1.21, and it is a gorgeous like little label sort of thing, special gift for you. So it's really cute. And then this one is just a flower. Excuse me, it was £1.10. But that is with postage. So, and look, that's just gorgeous. Haven't used that one yet, but I think that will look just too cute. So that's two more. Oh my goodness me, wood block stamps for my collection. Actually, that's 3 if you count the rabbit one. Rabbit. Right, okay, let's put that in the bin. Now, I have these dies here, and I have cut some of these out so that you can see what they look like. And then there is another one there. They're like a doily. Now, I've done them in orange, but If you did them in white, they would look gorgeous on a project, any colour. I mean, they look gorgeous in these colours, look. I mean, look at those, they are just gorgeous. So you get a set of 4 dies in there. And that one's quite big, actually. Where's my ruler? The biggest one is 4 by 4. So, as you can see, these would look lovely on a card. Or if you did thinner paper, it would look lovely in a journal folded over. Really cute. And I just love that you've got, you know, the 4 sizes. And that was, did I give you a price for that one? I thought I did. Oh, I don't know if I did or not. Did I give you a price? I can't remember. If not, if I didn't give you a price, then I think there was £2 something, I think. Oh, I might have a little ticket in there somewhere. If not, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can take a look yourself. But, oh, look, the bag's got a hole in it. That's not very good, is it? Put those in there. I'm going to find another packet for them. Lovely doily dies. Doily dies. Excuse me. Then I have these 3 laces. I'm so sorry. All of my grandkids, awful coughs, and just pass it on to me. Now, I bought these 3 together, and they were £3 and 6p. For all 3. I think one was 88, the other was 88, and one was £1.30. This one, I mean, there's 10 yards in each, which is about 9 point something meters. But look at this lace. I mean, oh my gosh, I have actually ordered more of this one because I think I love the colour of this, and I think it will just look absolutely gorgeous on my projects. And I think it is 2 inches wide, this one. But I just love this. I think this will look amazing on my projects. Especially, look, if you were to put them on... sorry, excuse me. That was my other half coming in thinking I wasn't talking. So, sorry. But look at that. It's just gorgeous lace. And look how much you get. Look at all that. That would just last you for ages. So I have actually bought some more. I just panic when I find something I really like. I panic it's going to run out. I think this was, I actually think 2 of them were 88p and one was £1.30. And I thought the bigger one, the 2-inch one, was the £1.30, but don't think it was. But look how much you get for under £1 or just slightly over £1. That's crazy, right? I know I've been into my local haberdashery and you will not get it for that price. And look at this gorgeous white one. If you don't want white, you can always tea dye it, which is probably what I will do with this one. Look how gorgeous. And this one's really sort of fine lace looking. Beautiful, but look how much you get. Look. Lots and lots of lace. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to stock up. Not that I need any lace, but I'm going to stock up because it's nice when you find one that you really like. And this one is really flimsy lace. This is lovely. It's really soft and yummy lace. Yummy, yummy. Look, all lace is yummy though. Under £1. For look. 10 yards of lace under £1. I will put the link in the description below because, you know, they have a lot of choice as well. There's a lot of delicious lace on there. Right, so that's the lace. Now, I had these dies here, which I showed in a video the other day, and these were £2.18, and they're like ripped paper, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies, and this will show you, you know, this is what it does. So it looks really cool, really, really cool. And that was £2.18 for that one. And I have these, look at these flowers and pearl flowers, look, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29. Look at these ones with the things on. Aren't they gorgeous? They were £2.40. So not bad at all, I don't think. I think that and they're quite big, these ones as well. Just beautiful. Love them. Then this tag die I showed with this project the other day, £2.27 this tag die, and it does do this lovely shaped tag and these circle bits to go on. I love. And it's also got the inside bit that cuts out. It's also got extra little bits and pieces which I've not actually used, so that's really cool. This is a must-have. I love it, and I love the shape of the tags as well. Gorgeous. And then I have bought some head pins. These were, I think, 100 for 77p, and they are 2 inches long. And then these ones, 77p, and they are an inch and something, inch and a quarter, these ones. So head pins, great for when you do your little dangles. And these, I went into, sorry Hobbycraft, I know, I went into Hobbycraft and I bought a little packet. I think there's about 25 in there, and it was £2 odd. I couldn't believe it. No, Hobbycraft, too expensive. These are the antique ones, but they do silver, gold, and different colours. So 77p, and I think 70 something. I can't remember, see it now. Oh, get off. 77. They were both 77p. Very handy to have. Now I've got something really yummy to show you. Look at these. Look, look, look. Okay, right. I'm not going to tell you how much these are, but you get 100 heart charms. Look at these. Look at all this yumminess. And they've got, oops, right, they've got Mum in American, those ones. You've got a few of the Mum ones. You've got Made with Love on that one. Some little thank you ones. Excuse my nails, I've been using marker pens today. Thank you. You've just got so many different, what's this one say? Oh, my dog. My dog. Look at that. My dog. That's cute. Little lock ones with little wings. And these are cute. I like these ones. They're really cute. But you get 100. I don't know if I would use these ones with the feather. I don't know. Might do. You never know when you're going to. What's this say? Oh, Made with Love. That's very pretty. That one is. But you get 100 hearts. You've got some little dinky ones. Look at my nails. They're disgusting, Channelle. Oh, you've got a few with my dog. You've got little thank you ones. Where's the cat ones? There aren't cats. Lots of Made with Love. These are very adorable. Thank you. Made with Love. These are just, look, you've got sister, dad, love. Got some gold ones, some rose gold ones. Got a little heart and a moon. And these are pretty as well. Let me just pick this up. It is just an assortment, so I don't know what you'll get. But look, they're just absolutely lovely. So I have lots and lots of heart charms now. Now you get 100 in there, and they were £3.83 for 100 pieces. So I think they're worth it, if I'm honest. I think that, you know, you've got a lot of choice in there. They do put a lot of variety in there. And that just gives you lots of charms to play with. Lots of yumminess, look. Lots of treasure. We like our treasure, don't we, and our blingy bits and everything. So that's my AliExpress haul for today. I will link all of the products below so that you can go and get yourself some. The lace, I would say today, the bargain are these laces, because 10 yards each. So you've got 30 yards there for £3.06. And that is with delivery. Ridiculous. Look at that. This one I love. I'll use this. Is going to be on everything now. It's going to be on all of my projects. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.